Hey everyone, my name's Sunny and the FIFA Soccer World Cup is right around the corner and the hype is getting absolutely unreal. To celebrate, Torras just dropped an exclusive limited edition line of cases inspired by the national teams, and we managed to get our hands on the official Portuguese Football Federation edition over here. This is the Torras Limited Edition Wave of Passion case for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Let's go ahead and check it out. Now, if this case looks a little familiar, that's because underneath this gorgeous new skin, it's the Torras Q3 Air. We've already done a full deep dive review on the Q3 Air's incredible drop protection and basic functionality earlier this year. I'll leave a card right up here in case you guys want to check that out. Today, we're focusing entirely on this limited edition drop, what comes inside the box, and why this is an absolute must-have for game day. Inside the box, you're not getting just a phone case. Torras threw in some awesome customization gear, an official number sticker pack, and a sheet of football themed stickers. This means you can literally customize the back of your phone to rep the favorite Portuguese player number, whether you're rocking the number 7 like I am, or showing some love to the defense. It's a small touch, but for a die-hard fan, it makes the case feel completely personal to you. Let's talk about the design. Officially called the Wave of Passion, Torras absolutely nailed the aesthetic here. The design language is meant to be a tribute to Portugal's heritage, where the pulse of the pitch meets the rhythm of the ocean. You've got this bold, beautiful backdrop accented with striking green and gold details. The green represents hope on the field, and the gold, of course, symbolizes glory. It's a modern interpretation of the national pride. It doesn't look like a cheap fan merch. It looks like a high-end, stealthy piece of tech gear that just happens to perfectly represent the Portuguese squad. Plus, it features a dot matrix texture along the edges for an upgraded anti-slip grip. Meaning when you're jumping out of your seat after a stoppage time goal, your iPhone 17 Pro Max isn't gonna go flying across the room. Even though we've covered the Q3 Air before, we have to talk about how perfect this hardware is for a football fan. The integrated O-stand ring seamlessly pulls out to act as a kickstand. If you're at a cafe catching up on match days, highlights, just pop the stand out and watch hands-free. If you're at the stadium and you want a better grip to record the crowd, slip your finger through the ring, and yes, it is still fully MagSafe compatible, so you can snap on a battery pack to make sure your phone survives a full day of tailgating, recording, and navigating. It's the perfect marriage of extreme protection and utility in one case. So if you're backing Portugal for the World Cup, or if you just appreciate a really well-crafted limited edition tech accessory, the Wave of Passion case from Torras for your iPhone 17 Pro Max is a massive W in my opinion. It's protective, the kickstand is clutch, and the design is going to be incredible on this one. I'll put the link down in the description so you can grab yours before they sell out, because once these limited edition runs are gone, they are probably going to be gone for good. Let me know down in the comments below which national team are you going to be rooting for this World Cup. Drop a like if you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more iPhone 17 gear, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Like always,